motorcycle. Oh, it's a friend. Oh. Well, hello, everybody. My name is Casey. This is some stranger. I don't know him. Should I pull up next to him? He didn't even wave. Jesus. Must not like my bike. This is my first ever talking to nobody, but ultimately talking to somebody, because somebody's gonna listen. Somebody's gonna watch it. Motovlogging really is pretty perfect for me, actually, because I talk in my helmet anyway. So I was like, might as well put a mic in there. So now you get to witness me getting the hang of everything, I guess. Go ahead, friend. Look at the plane. Yeah, the reason I ride sport bikes is because I love how it feels when you take off in a plane. And you get that giddy feeling and you start giggling and laughing. Oh God, he took a hand off. Fuck, he's chilling, he's cool. Chilling. Doesn't seem very friendly. I'm basically riding half a day's journey to meet up with my friends, which is the norm, because I live far as hell from everybody now that I moved away. So, people are making out. Oh, my belly! So, about my little vlog, I have to warn everybody, I'm like ADD, I mumble a lot, and my interests change constantly. So I can sit here and say, oh yeah, I'm gonna moto vlog and I'm gonna post up this much, but I'm not gonna promise that, because I don't think it's gonna happen. So anyway, yeah, I mean, it's like 1 week, you know, or whatever. It could be, I'm gonna post a riding video, and then the next week you're gonna see me shooting guns at the range, and then the next week you'll probably see me attending to a beehive, even though I don't have a beehive. But that's also something else about me. I am an aspiring beekeeper. I really want bees. I really want beehives. I can literally say, like, I have over 1,000 pets. My tire pressure feels so weird when it's up. I had it low because I was at the track, and then I rode the street with it on low, or pretty low, just because, stay your lane, no! Just because, I don't know, I was lazy. And I put it up today, and it feels weird. I get all sketched out of a weenie. A little weenie. Ha 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 ha. Feel good. Feel good. I waved and they smiled, but they didn't wave back. It's fucked up. Let's see if I can balance. I'm gonna balance. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Ah! I really fucking hate being behind trucks. My bike just doesn't feel right today. No. Oh my god, I can't wait to get to the next red light. Oh. Hello, red light. Hello. It's fun. They have Dutch Bros. Oh. I love Dutch Bros. Sponsor me! I'll wave at him like an idiot. Let's see if he... Oh! You can see she... Oh, it's green arrow. Excuse me. So everybody, this is Arizona. I am from the greater part of Phoenix. I'm actually originally from Florence, Arizona, which is a shithole. And I moved down to Tempe when I was, I don't know, pretty young. Hello, friend. Hello. He waved. He's nice. I got a riding buddy. He keeps looking at me in his mirror. 'Cause we're buddies. Smile, you're on camera. Oh, I think you heard me. What? Dang, people drive fast. Y'all got kids in the car, and y'all are gonna go 90 miles an hour. Oh, jeez. You know what? I've noticed that it's a thing. If it has a sticker on the back of the car that says "baby on board," they're probably gonna drive recklessly. People wonder why all these kids have problems nowadays. Because you got babies having babies. Okay, so here's Shay. So this is where my friends are. They're coming up this road. Right here. I know, I'm so savvy that I know my friends' routes. I think it's good to know which way your friends are coming from. Just in case something happens. Let's see if we can see them. See if we... Oh! I see him! I can't believe I actually saw him. I was like, oh, I'm not gonna see him, but let's just see, boom, right there. Two bright green Kawasaki's. They're way back there. They got caught by the lights. Caught by the lights. I apologize ahead of time for my singing. Oh, hey, a friend is stopping. My travel buddy. Thanks. Nice shirt.
I have the same one, but 09. What year is this?
It's an 06.
Okay.
She thinks she's cool. Dude, so I'm like, oh, I'm gonna see if I see my friends, you know? And I look over and just didn't know I was actually gonna see you, and I got so stupid excited.
I was like, oh,
and I thought I was gonna be late, and I'm like, oh yeah, I'm gonna beat him! Y'all are late, by the way. Doobie doobie doo. Say hi to my friend. So I just told Jen, I was like, I'm gonna see if I see my friends, because I knew you guys were coming down Jay, and I got so stupid excited because I didn't think that I was actually gonna see you. Oh, and I did. Did you see me? I was like pointing.
The light was changing faster, so you're trying to catch you.
I know, and I was like, oh, I'm gonna beat him because I thought I was gonna be late. I was like, sweet. Yeah, it really worked out great, didn't it? Dude, I'm so hungry. Yeah. What do you, like it flew off at the track?
Yeah, when I flew off my bike that day.
Oh, that time that you crashed? Wait, which time was it? Love you. Mean it.
It wasn't really crashing, it was more like we stopped and I fucking bumped someone's back tire and dropped the bike.
Whose back tire did you hit?
Lucas's.
Did Lucas even know?
Yeah, he felt it.
But he's like, oh, no big deal.
Yeah.
He's whatever. Oh shit. Did I leave my... Oh my god, my music's been on that whole time. Ooh!
All the time.
Rise Against is on right now.
yes, I love them.
No, you don't.
Oh.
How do you say rise against without using words?
What do you mean?
That's what I mean. How do you dance rise against? Yes, you can. It goes like this. And if you really liked rise against, you know that.
Whatever.
I'm just kidding.
I'm trying to find the directions to that place.
What was it called again?
Mahoney's or something?
It was something like Mackey's.
Mackey's.
We're going to Mackey's. Holy, this is a lot of glove. Look at her. Just turn around.
Dick.
Put your helmet on.
Apparently it's an hour there.
It's an hour. Oh, it's only an hour. That makes me excited. We can eat sooner. Oh, I just got a whiff of nasty.
Take this all the way
Did you smell that?
left on
Natural
East
gas,
Main
huh?
Street. And it's right there.
Or what?
We'll take this all the way up
Okay.
to Payson, and then we'll turn left on East Main Street, and it's right there.
Okay. Is that truck? It just smells like
It's the fucking trash that the wind shifted or something.
Oh, that's not good.
lovely. Yeah, it smells like.
Yeah, so we'll just turn left on East Main Street, so that's all we gotta look for.
Yes, Master. Right away, Master.
Dickhead.
Jason, you look so nostalgic right now. Your nostalgia is on fleek.
This is the face of disgust from smelling that.
Oh, I think it was those women. Just waiting on Jen, you know.
Can't hear you. With these.
You don't want to.
Okay, good. Dickhead.
I think I've gotten called a dickhead like 5 times already. Haven't even seen each other for an hour. Oh, great. Now I gotta pee.
You're gonna pee?
I literally did that on purpose.
Good thing this is all motorcyclists do.